What's up YouTube? Welcome back into my channel. In today's video I will use this amazing app in the modded version, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you how to use it. First we should go right here guys, let's go now. You can find it right here or you should write the name at the search bar. Here it is guys, tap here, modded version, all you have to do is to tap right here guys. In Android everything will be automatically, in iOS we have to do something, but it's important to say always something about this tutorial guys. Comment below, write me at the chat box or at the email, so please give your feedback guys and stay with me until the end of this video. Okay. After that we should go at the settings. After 100% you will see this one pop here. Tap here guys. All you have to do is to tap right here. Next, again, and done. That's it guys. Perfect. So everything looks just fine. Now let's enjoy this amazing app and I will make a tutorial how to use it. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is okay. Okay, perfect. It's starting now. Everything looks just fine guys. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do is to tap here play, tap here guys, perfect, and everything will be activated automatically as you see guys. So we have unlimited things and resources. So that's it guys, and don't forget to give a like and thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.